What if I told you that this car can change the way you drive forever? So let's begin with one of the most popular electric SUVs in the world, the Tesla Model Y. The Tesla Model Y is a fully electric compact SUV that combines performance, technology, and practicality. It has become one of the best-selling electric vehicles globally. Now let's explore the Tesla Model Y in detail, starting with its performance. The Tesla Model Y does not use a traditional petrol engine. Instead, it is powered by an advanced electric motor system. The long-range and performance variants come with a dual-motor, all-wheel drive system. The total power output is approximately 380 to 400 horsepower, delivering instant torque. The Tesla Model Y can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.8 seconds, which is extremely quick for an SUV. The top speed is around 135 miles per hour, ensuring stable highway performance. The Tesla Model Y uses a large lithium-ion battery pack designed for long-distance driving. On a full charge, the long-range variant offers up to 330 miles of driving range. Depending on road and weather conditions, regenerative braking helps recharge the battery while driving, improving overall efficiency. One of the biggest advantages of the Tesla Model Y is its charging network. Using a Tesla supercharger, the battery can charge from 10% to 80% in approximately 25 minutes. For home charging, a wall connector can fully charge the car overnight, making daily use very convenient. Inside the Tesla Model Y, the design is clean, modern, and minimalistic. The interior is dominated by a 15-inch central touchscreen, which controls navigation, music, climate, and vehicle settings. Tesla also provides over-the-air software updates, allowing the car to receive new features without visiting a service center. The vehicle includes autopilot, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assistance, and collision avoidance systems. The Tesla Model Y offers a spacious cabin with seating for 5 passengers, and an optional third-row seat. Because there is no traditional engine, the car features a front trunk, and a large rear cargo area, making it highly practical for families and road trips. Safety is a major focus for Tesla. The Model Y includes automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and multiple airbags. Its low center of gravity improves stability and handling, reducing rollover risk. The exterior design of the Tesla Model Y is aerodynamic and modern. It features LED headlights, flush door handles, a panoramic glass roof, and smooth body lines. This aerodynamic design helps improve driving range and efficiency. Bodo must have right number. The Tesla Model Y is a complete electric SUV that delivers strong performance, advanced technology, low running costs, and zero emissions. If you're looking for a future-ready car that balances speed, comfort, and practicality, the Tesla Model Y is definitely worth considering. The BMW 5 Series has always been a symbol of luxury, performance, and German engineering. It is designed for drivers who want comfort, power, and advanced technology in one premium sedan. Today, we are taking a detailed look at the BMW 5 Series, starting with its performance. The BMW 5 Series is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged petrol engine in its base variant. This engine produces around 255 horsepower, delivering smooth yet powerful acceleration. The car comes paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring seamless gear shifts. The BMW 5 Series can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 5.9 seconds, which is impressive for a luxury sedan. Power is delivered to the rear wheels, offering a sporty and balanced driving experience. BMW is known for its driving dynamics, and the 5 Series is no exception. The suspension system is tuned to provide a perfect balance between comfort and performance. At high speeds, the car feels stable and confident, while in city driving, it remains smooth and easy to handle. The steering is precise, giving the driver excellent control and feedback. Despite its strong performance, the BMW 5 Series offers respectable fuel efficiency. It delivers around 28 miles per gallon combined, making it suitable for both daily commuting and long highway drives. This makes the 5 Series a practical luxury sedan for everyday use. Step inside the BMW 5 Series, and you are welcomed by a premium, driver-focused interior. The dashboard features a curved digital display, combining the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless screen. The system supports navigation, smartphone connectivity, and advanced vehicle settings. Ambient lighting, high-quality materials, and ergonomic seating enhance the overall luxury experience. The BMW 5 Series offers a spacious cabin with comfortable seating for 5 passengers. The rear seats provide generous legroom, making it ideal for long journeys. The seats are well cushioned and designed for maximum comfort, even during extended drives. Safety is a key priority in the BMW 5 Series. The car comes equipped with automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assistance, and adaptive cruise control. The exterior design of the BMW 5 Series is elegant and sporty. It features the iconic BMW kidney grille, sharp LED headlights, and clean body lines. The BMW 5 Series is not just about luxury, it is also practical. It offers a spacious trunk, smooth ride quality, and modern technology that makes daily driving easy and enjoyable. Whether it's city traffic or long highway trips, the 5 Series handles it effortlessly. The BMW 5 Series is a perfect choice for those who want German engineering, premium comfort, and sporty performance in one car. It delivers a refined driving experience without compromising on power or technology. If luxury with a sporty edge is what you're looking for, the BMW 5 Series is definitely worth considering. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more detailed car specifications and honest reviews. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. All visuals shown are AI-generated concept images based on public information and future expectations. Specifications, features, and design details may change in the final production model. This video is not sponsored by Honda.